Welcome to the vodcast that is called the Textbook Tour. This is Miss Meyer's 8th grade science class. And as you look at your new textbook that was given to you at the beginning of the year, you'll notice that at the top above the word science, it says that this is Book A. If you notice from the classroom, we have these giant books that are a consolidation of several small textbooks together. Those were way too big to send home for most of the kids, so the district had them published in 2 different books. Book A contains the first several chapters that you're going to need. Now, if you look at the bottom of your book, you're going to see, right here, you're going to see the textbook number, which should go onto your inventory with your name and any damages that you find in your textbook. The first book in the series that you open the first page to is going to say Chemical Interactions, and if you look on the bottom of any of the pages in that section, you're going to see that this is noted as Section B. So this is mini book Chemical Interactions, and I'm going to call this Section B of Book A. Okay, so you have Book A right here, and you're in Section B, although that's not the first section we're going to start with. We're going to start with Book A, or Section A in Book A, and that's called Matter and Energy. This is going to be the very first chapter that you start using, and within it, this unit, are several different sections. So we have Book A, Section A, which is the second section in your book. The cover of that has the big welder picture on it. Now in the back of every one of these books, oh, by the way, and you also have the Forces in Motion is in there, and we're going to end up with that after winter break. In the back of every single section, so it's in there several times because every different section they kept that in there when they published it, they have student resources. For instance, making observations, how to recognize bias in scientific writing. They have a lab handbook that has your safety rules, lab equipment information, metric system. These are information pieces that you'd be very well advised to use and look at frequently. For instance, right here, how to run a triple beam balance. And so they give you step by step how to measure things, like in this case it's something that's liquid, which is contained in a glass container. And they show you how to subtract away the mass of the container so you get just the mass of the liquid. That's all for today. Thanks.